Diddy trial breaking news. This Montana White with the Montana White Show. Hip hop, money, power, politics. Y'all know what to do. Now, on Instagram, there's a lawyer. Follow him. His name is Lawyer for Workers on Instagram, at Lawyer for Workers. He keeps the NY East Coast trial information up to speed. You feel what I'm talking about? Follow him so you can see him live for yourself, right? But he's at court right now, and he's breaking down what's going on with Diddy's trial as it's happening, right? Now check this out. The lawyers, the defense, and the prosecution might have ran into some problems. Listen how we break it down.
Major development in the Puff Daddy case, and this is going to be really bad for the defense or really bad for the prosecution. Here's what happened. So there was this big argument over whether or not the government was allowed to take pictures of these notes. Now, obviously, if the notes are communications with his attorneys, they're not allowed to do it. What the government said is that they were doing a general search for contraband. They went in the jail cell. They found a stack of papers. On the top was a folder marked legal, and inside it was closed, sealed. They never went into that folder. They put that folder to the side and they took pictures of some of the other stuff. The defense said no, all of those were legally privileged materials. In fact, Puff had a larger folder that they all used to be in. The Bureau of Prisons said he can't have such a big folder. They took that away from him, so he just kept the one on the top and the other legal stuff on the bottom. And the judge was looking at it and he's like, yeah, some of this stuff looks legal, and he bought the defense's argument. They were good. But then, out of nowhere, the defense went and said, you know, Judge, the pictures that they took, the legal pads that those pictures are from, the legal pads themselves said legal on the top. The judge said, hang on, wait a minute now, let me see that. The lawyer gave him the pad, and he said, look, this is the page they took the picture of, this is legal on top. And the judge said, oh my God. Hearing ended. But then after the hearing ended, the judge issued another order, and he said, defense, excuse me, you're gonna have to explain to me something, because I saw the original photographs that the government took. And of the original photographs that they took a photograph of this legal pad, and I'm looking at the binding, it doesn't say legal on top. That means one of two things, folks. That means that either the government lied to the judge and gave them photographs that weren't the actual photographs of the legal pads, or that means the defense. Remember what happened here. The government took the pads, they took pictures, and they put them back in Puff's jail cell. Then it's possible that Puff or somebody else wrote legal on them, which would make sense because you had this issue happen once. Now let's write legal on everything. This way it won't happen again. But in open court, the lawyer went so far as to say, I don't know what happened, but if that's what happened, the lawyers didn't say that. The lawyer said, hey, the feds searched these pads and they said legal on them. They're crazy, wild violations of the attorney-client privilege. The judge now asking, hang on, who's lying? And if it's the defense that misrepresented that this legal was written after, or if it's the government that misrepresented that, oh shit, yeah, we were hiding the fact that we clearly saw the legal marking on the top, that's going to be a problem for one side or the other. Major fireworks expected at the Puff Daddy hearing today on just this point alone, and then the overall bond argument, which we'll do another video on. Major development.